there's infusion used in a production to keep the weight down and have the more rigid construction. Now the new versions of Aiata will be coming as well. So in Düsseldorf, there will be a new layout for the 38, and then we are designing a new smaller size entry-level boat in a size range of 30 feet. When we talk about the production facility in Aiata, they have started a totally new boat factory, and it's quite impressive with all the CNC cutting and CNC painting, what they do in there with the infusion manufacturing. And it has been super nice to see that kind of commitment, and also there you see the possibilities when you work with a big group like Anadolu, that's what they can put on when they want. So basically they started this new factory line, and the production quality has been fantastic. Of course, we are now in a first project, first boats are out. We are doing constant development in there, so we are going to improve the last from these first models a lot in the coming season. So basically the ramp up has been done, and it's the quality and the differences between the model now is a minimum. So I'm super happy about that.